open my mouth when I coughed. I coughed inside my mouth.
Disgusting.
Yeah, you're disgusting too.
Are you serious? Did you just cough at me?
Yeah. I don't have a pandemic. Bully.
Bully?
Yeah, bully.
I asked you politely to please cover your mouth when
Yes,
you
I
cough.
did not open my mouth when I coughed. Don't you listen?
You doctor.
What?
You're a doctor. Is
Are
that
you?
how you stop?
Are you?
The advice from
Are
the
you?
government has been to cover
just
your
shut
mouth
up.
when you cough.
Look, just be quiet. I don't want to hear this.
And then
You're
you
in a-
coughed at me.
You're in a quiet
With an
carriage.
open mouth.
Oh, shut up.